Acid reflux and the cure, apple cider vinegar. Snow White slowly took a small bite of the apple and she fell to the ground, losing consciousness. Most children, and even the adults, are familiar with this fairy tale story. It is in fact just a tale, but in real life, the apple can make wonders. In reality, many people suffer from many diseases, and the worst thing to happen to a person is to die from suffering such disease. But before the situation leads to an unpleasant end, you must be aware that these are still old-time home remedies which really work. The apple cider vinegar has been used in many homes for many years now. It is proven to cure many ailments like allergies, acne, sinus infections, flu, high cholesterol, candida, chronic fatigue, contact dermatitis, sore throats, gout, arthritis, and acid reflux. There are a large number of people suffering from acid reflux or the GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease. This usually happens when the LES or the lower esophageal sphincter does not function properly. The contents of the stomach, particularly the liquid, go back to the esophagus. The liquid contains pepsin and stomach acids. The pepsin digests proteins, and the acid from the stomach burns the walls of the esophagus, causing heartburn. Experiencing heartburn once in a while should be a cause for worry, but if you experience the sensation more than 2 times each week, it's time that you consult a doctor. Acid reflux is harmful once the esophagus lining is destroyed, so you should undergo medication once you've been examined and diagnosed with acid reflux to prevent further complications. Acid reflux is usually treated with antacids, but some people complain that it only makes the situation even worse. If you use antacids, the body will only produce more acids to compensate the decrease in body acids. The reflux will only worsen after the dose wears off at the end of the day. Apple cider vinegar is now more preferred by people who want a natural way to cure their acid reflux. Going back to natural medicines are also helpful, but it requires patience and time. Natural remedies take some time before you can actually see the effects or results. A bottle of apple cider vinegar costs between $3 to $4. It's even cheaper than buying antacids. The best possible cure for acid reflux is just in your kitchen. But if you can't find one in your kitchen, look for it in the supermarket. Here is the dosage of drinking apple cider vinegar: 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, ACV, diluted in water at least thrice a day. You need a much stronger concoction if you're currently treating the disease. Some experience side effects like a metallic/acid taste and a burning tongue. Most people don't like its taste, but to be cured, you must withstand its unpleasant taste. The apple cider vinegar really works wonders. In fact, you can find many customer testimonials about the benefits of the vinegar. It doesn't matter what brand of apple cider vinegar you choose to buy, as long as it gives the needed relief. Studies have proved its effectiveness, so don't hesitate to use it. Perhaps Snow White was better off drinking apple cider instead of biting that big red apple that the old woman offered.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.